Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today we'll be talking about Instagram privacy, and I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account completely private. Okay, so let's go ahead and open Instagram on your device. It could be on iPhone and Android. The settings are both in the same place. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your profile down here at the bottom. Once you tap on that, you're going to tap on the three lines here in the top right corner, and you're going to see settings and privacy. Tap on that next, and then from there we're going to scroll down and we're going to see account privacy. You'll probably see that this is public right now, so go ahead and tap on that, and then you're going to just toggle this switch to make the account private. Once you tap on that, you're going to have a confirmation button, switch to private, and that's it. Now only people that are following you that you have approved can see your content, and that should solve it for you. Hopefully you have a great day, and if you found this valuable, please feel free to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.